guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, happy middle of the day, whenever you're watching this. I just woke up a little while ago. Excuse whatever is going on here. Kapii is coming to pick me up in a little bit, and we are going to the beach. We both feel like we haven't went to the beach just to kind of like lay out and adventure a little bit. So she's coming to get me. She's on the way, and so I'm just getting my stuff ready, and I figured might as well bring you guys with for the day, so you can enjoy it with us. Also, I would like to give a huge shout out to any veterans or active duty service members that are watching this. Today's Veterans Day. When I upload this, it'll be Wednesday, so it won't be Veterans Day anymore, but I still would like to take the time to appreciate anybody who served their country. I'm very thankful that I am no longer in the military and I can enjoy Veterans Day in Hawaii, where I'm from. So yeah, if you would like to adventure with us today, then just keep watching. Thanks. Guys, I apologize for the lighting because I'm not 100% sure on the best ways to fix things just yet, but I'm working on it. And it's gonna be bright as this. Sister, sister!
Hi, sister!
Oh, you're not focused.
Ready for the beach?
Sister's driving us in.
We rambling.
Hi. Yep. Yep. We went and got us some Subway sandwiches, and Kapi's driving us in. And I don't think you can see the beach on here, but we have to go through the lava fields.
And then it gets pretty.
Yeah.
It's like so windy. This is how you get to the nice beaches in Hawaii.
Yeah, seriously, if you're gonna go to a beach, most of them, it's gonna be like this, and it's gonna make it actually pretty worth it.
Yeah, you'll see.
But it's not that bad.
It's not too shabby.
Also, you probably caught the theme to this whole thing about us being together. There's gonna probably be more videos of just us. Yeah. Because we hang out with each other
Quite a bit.
quite a bit.
And I'm child free today, which is...
That means we litty titty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really refreshing.
Really refreshing. So we will record a little bit closer when we're walking in. We have to walk over to the beach. Come adventuring with us. Oh, it's so beautiful though today.
It is. We walk over there today. Really
Busy?
Yeah.
Yeah, plus it's a holiday.
It's Wednesday.
We have to, thanks. I know, we're gonna go over there. Really bright. I didn't think this through all the way. We just went swimming a little bit with Kapii, so we're just are gonna eat our lunch, hang out. It's probably really windy and loud, so sorry, but like the view and this little beach, well, I guess it's not so little. And then we just like went by this little like hut thing and took some pictures, and it's so cute. And we'll probably go back to the other one later. But for now, we're just gonna lay out and eat and relax. So we are leaving our little area because the waves are getting a little too intense. I don't know if you can hear me because it's windy, but however, there's these little like fresh brackish, which is saltwater and freshwater mixed together ponds. So we're gonna go check that out. But we have to walk back across the little lava field, so we're gonna rinse off because we won't feel as sticky from the salt water. But like seriously, look how cute this is. The little fishes.
Super cute fish.
I set my camera up. Yum. You know what's better than a fresh Subway sandwich? One that's been sitting in the sun for 4 hours.
A soggy Subway sandwich.
Ooh.
What them chips at?
This is my best setup, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with this. We just swam for like an hour.
Yeah.
Kapii said that it might be nice for you guys to be at the beach with us instead of me just bringing you to the beach and keeping you in my bag.
Yeah. Basically, show the beach. Make them feel like they're at the beach.
It's like a little like long. Yeah, a little falling coconut tree action. Sorry, I don't know how to set you guys up.
Holy shit, dude, my sandwich is so soggy.
Yum. Like, oh, this is like my heaven. Like, look at how beautiful.
So nice out.
And just like the noises of the ocean and
super day.
like this is what they say when they say Hawaii's paradise.
Yep. And then we go back to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
But we don't really, I feel like we haven't really done like a beach day like this.
No, we haven't. That's what I said earlier.
Yeah.
That. Can you hold this real fast while I get my glasses out?
Yeah. We haven't really ever had like a beach day where we like did this, just us. Normally I have Eliza or
Yeah, or the fam.
or the
Bam.
whole fam. This was pretty refreshing though. I do need to put some chapstick on.
I haven't put chapstick on all day.
Oh, I get cold sores though.
Yeah, Kapii gets like sun blisters on her lips.
They're just so luscious they can't take the sun.
What do you use?
I use the Super Goop Shine On Lip Screen.
That works for you too.
Yeah. It's actually really good.
People forget you can get like sunburn and like blisters on your lips, I think, from the sun.
I have like literally this whole bag has sunscreen though.
Bag haul.
Who wants a bag haul? A beach bag haul?
Go to Kapii's channel for that. You can find it at...
Come on, don't file though.
That's okay.
Look, I even have this.
Ooh, the Kapii.
Kapii Body Glow.
I have a little... I think when you live in Hawaii,
sun,
yeah, you have to have like a sunscreen bag, pretty much. I can't unzip mine. I have so much stuff in here. Yeah. Let's do a little bag haul.
My glasses.
Okay.
Kia Australia.
What else?
Eliza's glasses.
Cute.
Target. And then I have a lot of like.
Oh my god, Sunbum. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but as long as it's reef safe, that's all that matters.
Yeah, in Hawaii, that's all that matters. So in my bag, I got Sunbum also.
Do you?
Yeah, I got the face one. This is like the best face one, that's why.
Yeah. If you miss a spot, you'll know because it's like all sunburn on that one like strip that you missed.
But I love too that it's like you can just like put it on your face like it's a roller. It's not like sunscreen, like actual like really lotion.
Eliza can apply it herself.
Yeah, and she loves to do it, I'm sure. My OG before, like this is literally, I don't know if it's Kona browning lotion, but you put this on and it's an instant tan. Like it just tints your skin. It's made with Kona coffee extract. Oh my god, this is like, I swear by this.
Don't forget to put sunscreen.
Oh yeah, sorry, that's
on your
I don't wear sunscreen that much. Me editing sunburn. I don't wear sunscreen.
Oh my god. I do, because my mom is like really white. So she always tells me, put sunscreen.
This is a tutorial on how to put sunscreen on from Kapii, Isla. Yeah, so I mean, if I do put sunscreen, it's just on my face. Which is probably not good. I also have Kopari coconut oil, the coconut balm.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, this is so hydrating. I put this on my lips sometimes if it's like, I forget chapstick.
Yeah, that's really good.
Which I have chapstick right here. I also have, I swear by this, my Bali Body.
What's your other 5 flavors?
So this is just the regular tanning oil with just I think coconut oil. And then this one is the watermelon extract one. Ooh, this is my favorite because you get the deepest tan, but it's so nourishing. Like it's like very moisturizing. It's very like thick. And then this one is the cacao tanning oil. I think this one makes you the darkest personally, but pick and choose when I want to use certain ones. I feel like I'm in the mood for different ones. I have a broken phone fan in here also.
Do you really? Okay. Eliza has one of those.
It was a gift. It kills your battery.
Oh, I bet.
We're probably gonna go swimming again, and then we'll probably head out. We've been here for a while, so we don't want to get sunburnt.
Too late for that. Shit.
Cute. Don't want to get even more sunburnt. Don't mind my hair. It's a mullet also because it's really short right now and I like to put my hair up high. Where'd that lady go?
Oh, I thought she was gonna like climb a tree or something. Like I legit was like, oh my god, this lady's about to climb this coconut tree.
Could you imagine?
No, like literally I was like, where did she go? And I looked up in the trees and she wasn't there.
I looked up in the trees and she wasn't there. Isla, this is cute. So we're literally like right here in this. Oh, it's pretty dark. This little area, there's like right there, there's rocks, but right here there's just sand, so, and we can just sit. And then we just like set up by that little fallen coconut tree, and then back there is how you get to the other beach. And like this water, like when they talk about Hawaii water, this is what they're this is what they're talking about. I found a rare species.
Winter is here.
We made it back to the car. We're literally just gonna go home and relax. One of the best feelings is literally to go home, take a shower, and then like lay down after the beach.
Showers after the beach.
After the beach.
The best.
Hands down.
The best.
So I think we're just gonna end it here. It was just a quick beach day. And by quick, I mean the whole day.
Yeah, you mean like 5 hours?
I mean like 5 hours. So follow Kapii. I will of course tag her at some point and link it down below, but you should know her by now. Come on.
Yeah. Like, you know that that meme where it's like the girl.
Like, yeah, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, you know the drill. I shouldn't have to say that, but for some reason you guys are still lurking.
You're watching,
but
not engaging.
But not engaging. I don't know why when you say something, I feel like I have to say it, repeat it, and then sing it.
Well, it got dark.
It got real dark. Okay, well, we will see you on the next video. Peace out, mother effers. Bye-bye. Ew, I look like a hunchback of Notre Dame. How's your guys' day going? Do you like soggy Subway sandwiches? See you.
Ew. I got on the camera.
What happened?
I don't know, I choked.